هلا أستاذ.
كيفك كريست؟
صباحو أستاذ.
صباحو عكاز، كيفك؟
هاي سير.
هاي كيفك؟
منيحة، كيفك أنت؟
الحمد لله. جبتي شمعة على بكرة نايرة ولا بعد؟ لسه.
بعد.
هواي بعد. Man, you didn't submit your homework, life science and general science.
شو هوم ورك أستاذ؟
الهومورك هيدا 2017 second chance. ما عم تشوفوا الأجندة؟ Okay, let's start. An air new contains 5 white balls numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 white numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We have 3 black, numbered 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8, and 2 green, numbered 9 and 10. So air new contains total of 10 balls. So this given is translated into this air. Part A. A player selects randomly and simultaneously 2 balls from the air new. 2 balls simultaneously. A. The two selected balls hold odd numbers. The selected balls hold odd numbers. A. What is probability del A? Who can tell how to calculate probability del A? Probability del A equal probability of 2 odd. Who can give the result? Yes, who can give me the result of 2 odd? How many total? How much total?
10.
10. I put 10 or what?
No, C 10 2.
Okay, I have to choose 2 from 10. Odd, how many odd do we have?
5.
5. How to write it?
C 5 2.
Okay. C52. So probability of odd, probability of A equal probability of 2 odd equals 2 over 9. Part B. The two selected balls have the same color. كيف selected balls have the same color? Probability will be same
2
color.
or 2 green.
Probability of 2 white plus or يعني plus 2 black plus probability of 2 green equal total is I have to choose 2 from 10. 2 white is 2 from 5 plus 2 black 2 from 3 plus 2 green 2 from 2. We get 14 over 45. Any questions about part 1? To part A. Calculate probability, let's see. What is probability, let's see? What is C? The two selected balls hold odd numbers and have the same color. What is probability, let's see?
ناخذ من الوايت number 3 and 5
equal Shmanet, what's the event to select balls hold odd numbers is a what?
PA union PB.
PA intersection.
Enter
Intersection B. Or whenever you have or is union and intersection. A intersection B. How to calculate probability of A intersection B without using the Orang definition? What's meant by the selected balls odd and have the same color? The two properties together. Yes, come on. Who can describe the situation?
يعني هيدا الآن بنعمل times.
No. The intersection B هي probability that A times probability of B given A. بس ما المفروض see directly what's meant. What is A intersection B? Hold odd and same color.
A
Keep odd
intersection B bar.
No. شوية hold شوية odd and have the same color. يعني either
And either 7.
Either too odd and white. Either too odd and white. Can I say too odd and black?
No.
Okay, so probability A intersection B means too odd and white. A intersection B here هي بيكونوا odd and same color, either odd and white, too odd and white, or I cannot say too odd and black. ما في too odd black. So too odd and white. Too odd and white. Total is 10, choose 2. This is the total. And odd and white, how many balls are odd and white? How many balls are odd and white?
There are 3 odd
and white. So I have to choose from them 2. So 2 choose 3 is equal 1/15.
هيدا 3 choose 2 يعني في عنا 3 odd numbers
and white. 3 odd and
that
white.
have the same.
From the white, how many odds we have? I have 3. I have to choose from them 2. This is why I put 2 choose 3.
Yes.
Part B. I didn't give you the definition of independent events. You can add it to your notes. Are the events A and B independent? Justify. There is a rule that says A and B are independent. A and B are independent if probability that A intersection B equal probability that A times probability that B. It is a rule. A and B are independent if probability that A intersection B equal probability that A times probability that B. Now, let's check here. I have determined the probability that A intersection B is 1/15. I calculate probability لل A times probability لل B. P لل A we have it 2 over 9 times 14 over 45 equal 28 over 405. So probability لل A times probability لل B different from P لل A intersection B, which is 1 over 15. So A and B are not independent. Any questions about part B?
بس يعني are not independent يعني بيصير الأورين PA intersection B PA times PB times PA union B.
No. What is probability that A intersection B rule? We have two rules for A intersection B. Probability that A intersection B is equal to what? Equal P lal A times probability of B given A.
Yes.
Or probability that B times probability of A given B. But in case of independent, بصير probability that A times probability that B. Part 3, verify probability that D equals 7 over 45. Probability that D is 7 over 45. What is D? The two selected balls hold odd numbers and have different colors. Probability that D, what is probability that D? Probability of a what? The selected balls hold odd numbers. Odd numbers is A. And the intersection?
B bar.
Different colors. What is different colors? Yes?
B bar.
B bar.
B bar. How to calculate probability of A intersection B bar? We can use the definition or we can use a rule. فينا نقول واحد white odd with one black odd, one white odd with one green odd, or one black odd with one green odd. We can do this, or how we can solve it? How to calculate probability of A intersection B bar? What is the rule of total probability?
Probability لل A minus probability لل A intersection B.
Good. We have a rule that says probability of A equals probability of A intersection B plus probability of A intersection B bar.
هلا نعمل minus.
Oh. So probability that A intersection B bar, which is probability that D, we make minus. So here, probability that D equal probability that A intersection B bar. We have the orange rule of total probability. Probability that A We notice here we have A. Here B and B bar should be opposite. So probability that A intersection B bar equal probability that A minus probability that A intersection B. Probability that A is 2/9 minus 1/15. We get 7/45. It is done?
Yes.
Part 4. Knowing that the player has selected 2 balls with different colors. Knowing that with 2 different colors, what is the probability that the 2 balls hold odd numbers? What we are going to determine, probability of what? Knowing that I use this one, slash. What is above, what is below?
Odd numbers above. يعني A above.
A above.
2 different colors. D.
2 different
B
colors
bar.
mean 2 different B bars. What is the rule? How to calculate probability of a given B bar?
A intersection B bar over PB bar.
Probability of A intersection B bar over probability of B bar. What is A intersection B bar?
PD.
What is A P at D? How to calculate probability of B bar?
1 minus PB.
1 minus PB. Probability of D we have it. To probability of B we have it. So it is determined. So probability of A given B bar equal probability of A intersection B bar over 1 minus probability of B. We get 7/31. Part B. In this part, the player selects randomly, successively, not simultaneously, successively, with replacement. Two balls.
Permutation.
2 balls, permutation with repetition. 2 balls from the air new. The player scores +1 for each white ball. White ball, we get +1. And -1 for each black ball and 0 for each green. So we have white ball gives +1. For one, the player 1 for each. -1 for the black. Black is -1. And finally, the green, we get the score is 0. Calculate the sum of the scored points is equal to 0. How many balls we are selecting?
2. And
Two.
all بالديامتر select 1 black 1 white or 2 green. That green.
Right. Yes. Probability for the score 0 or sum 0. Sum 0. What did we take? To take a sum is 0. What balls did we take?
1 white, 1 black.
1 white, 1 black. Or
2 green.
2 green. Two green. Yeah, who can give the result?
هلا 1/5 times هيك.
It is not, please بعدنا عم نغلبط. Possible
5
over
over
total.
10.
5 over 10 times الوايت هو هني 5. البلاك how much? البلاك are 3.
3 over 10.
3 over 10.
10
Why we didn't put
repetition.
3 over 10? I put over 10 because
repetition.
with replacement. Plus 2 green.
2 over 10 times 2 over 10.
2 over 10 times 2 over 10. هلا في ميستيك، مش في ميستيك، بعد في شيء لازم نزيد where.
factorial يعني.
Yes.
times 2 factorial.
Where.
هون ايه. لأنه هون ما أعطينا order، حطينا factorial.
ما أعطينا order إنه white green white black successively I can choose black white or white black.
Yes.
So with successively صبايا وشباب you have to multiply by the number of permutations. Don't forget that. Here I don't multiply by factorial. Why 2 factorial?
Because they are the same.
Because they are the same. Green, green, I cannot permute them. So the result equals 0.17/60. Any questions about this part?
No.
Okay, this is all for today. Monday في school ولا no school؟
ما في عم بقول.
ما في.
طيب for Tuesday you prepare. عم تسمعي أليسا؟ مش بس أليسا, all of you. You prepare 2017 first one. Yes?
Okay.
Okay.
Try to solve it at home first. To be used how to solve, to think with probability.
Okay.
بس هلا شو؟
Okay. General 2:15 بس take 5 minutes break. Drink a cup of coffee or Nescafe. Or... Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.
Have a nice
Bye.
week. Bye bye.
You too.
Same.
Yeah,
Same.
Bye, Stiz.
Bye bye.